In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Steam screenshots. So the first thing I'm doing here is opening Steam and waiting for everything to fully load. Once I'm signed in and on the main screen, I'm heading toward the top corner where the Steam icon is located. I'm clicking that now because this opens the main menu where all of the client settings are stored. From the drop down menu, I'm selecting settings. This brings up the Steam settings window and I'm giving it a moment to fully load so all the categories appear correctly. Once everything is visible, I'm looking over at the left hand menu and scrolling down until I find in-game. That's the section I need, so I'm clicking it now. Now that I'm inside the in-game settings page, I'm scanning through the options until I locate Screenshot Shortcut Key. This is the setting that controls which keyboard key triggers Steam screenshots while playing games. If screenshots keep happening by accident, this is the exact setting to change. At this point, I'm clicking the current shortcut key field. Steam is now waiting for a new key input. I can either press the X button to clear the shortcut entirely, or I can assign it to another key that I never use. I'm choosing the option that works best for me so screenshots won't trigger during gameplay. Once I've cleared the key or changed it, I'm clicking confirm to apply the change. Steam saves the new shortcut setting right away, and now the screenshot feature is effectively disabled or moved to a different key. I'm taking a quick second to review everything while it's fresh. I open Steam, click the Steam icon, selected settings, opened the in-game section from the left menu, located Screenshot Shortcut Key, cleared the current key or changed it, and clicked confirm. If I ever want screenshots again later, I can return to the same page and set a new shortcut key anytime. It's a simple setting and only takes a few seconds to update. And that's really all there is to it. Once the shortcut is removed or reassigned, Steam screenshots will no longer activate accidentally while you're gaming, giving you a cleaner and less interrupted experience.